crack. Well, too, I feel it crack. Oh, God. Yeah, I started passing on my tongue, and it was like flopping there. Right flat on the gun. Feel it too still on the gun, but it gets kind of it broke right off. Right there.
Well, I had one too, but that's what I was gonna have to check out. Probably cool.
Well, one side of it fell out. Yeah, that's what that one I had it root canal done on it, but I never finished it out. All this shit went out, so haul it out too.
Hey.
Not too much of it. 4 pennies.